Hey guys, meet the all-new Tecno Megapad, an entry-level tablet designed for those that want a larger display to play with, watch movies, YouTube videos, and do some basic office work without breaking the bank. So in this video, let's just explore it together. Let's see what it has to offer and let's see if it's worth considering. Now, for the unboxing experience, Tecno was kind enough to include a well-made carrying case with it. That's one good reason to consider it. First of all, you don't have to buy a case anymore. Nice one, Tecno. Next, you get the tablet itself, a SIM ejector tool, and a small box that contains a USB Type-C charging cable, a 20-watt charging brick, and a user manual. The tablet itself is well made, and the whole frame is made from aluminum, and it looks solid. However, the back is plastic. I honestly do not have any complaints here considering the price. I actually like how thin and lightweight it is, and you won't feel much heft when you're just holding it for a longer period of time. On the right side of the device, we have a dual microphone, a hybrid SIM card tray, volume rocker keys, and a power button. At the bottom, we have a 3.5mm headphone jack, dual speaker grille, and a USB Type-C charging port. On top, we have another dual speaker grille. The tablet looks like it has 4 speakers, and in reality, it does not. It has just 2 speakers, one on top right here and the other at the bottom, and that's just it. How do they sound? They actually sound okay. They sound okay, but not too loud. It lacks any form of bass, but it is okay for the price. It comes in 2 colors, which are space gray, and the other is champagne gold, which is actually what I have here. Now, another reason you may want to consider this tablet is the display size. Coming in at 10.1 inches, which is big enough for media consumption. It is an HD Plus display with up to 450 nits of peak brightness. It is not the sharpest display that I've seen, but it gets the job done. See, if the display is one of your concerns, this may not be the tablet for you. The Tecno Megapad comes with a MediaTek Helio G80 processor, paired with 4GB of RAM and 256GB of storage for this one right here. That's plenty of storage for a device in this price category. Performance is moderate for basic use. I say basic use. I won't recommend this tablet for someone that wants a bigger display to play high graphics intensive games. However, games like Subway Surfer, Candy Crush, Temple Run, and mostly 2D games will run well without any issues. I also tested Call of Duty Mobile at adjusted graphics settings and the gameplay was fine. But I didn't really enjoy it because of the pixelated display. To be frank, this display isn't that impressive for gaming. Additionally, for most office tasks, this works well. Another area this tablet excels at is multitasking. You can have 2 apps side by side and enjoy proper multitasking, as you would do on a PC. For software, the Tecno Megapad is running on Android 14. That is far different from what Tecno usually ships their devices with. This is running on somewhat close to stock Android and it is impressive. It does not come with those pre-installed apps that usually come with most Tecno devices, and throughout my usage, I haven't seen any ads, which is impressive, at least for a tablet in this price category. Now, being a tablet, most people won't take this device outside to take pictures or stuff like that, but if you want to see what the images that this stuff captures look like, here you go. Now, what do you think? Let me know in the comment section below. Another great reason to consider this tablet is its battery life. It comes with a 7000 mAh battery and it is very impressive. As a casual user of this tablet, it lasted me for more than 3 days on a single charge. Now, when it's time to charge it up, it took the included 20-watt charger about 2 hours and 32 minutes to charge from 0 to 100%, which is also great for a budget tablet. Okay, let's talk about the price. It starts at $236,100 or about $135 for the version with 4GB and 128GB of storage. And I think that's reasonable enough considering how inflation has taken everything high up. The thing is, this tablet has its own target audience, which are basically those that want a bigger display without breaking the bank. And I believe those audience won't have any problem using it. It is decent for the price and the battery is very impressive. Now the question is it worth considering? I'll say yes, but it is not for everyone. So that is it, my review of the Tecno Megapad. What do you guys think? Let me know your own thoughts in the comment section below. If you enjoyed watching this video, kindly give me a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I guess I'll talk to you in the very next one. Bye bye.